Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is like the moment of truth we've all been waiting for. If you guys remember in the last Stitch Fix unboxing I did, my customer service rep and I decided we were going to ante up and go with a luxe box just because the regular boxes were proving to have very little in terms of 100% cotton or linen clothing, which you guys know I'm all about adding to my wardrobe. So at the time I was like, okay, let's just go luxe and see what we can get. For those of you that aren't familiar, a luxe box typically typifies items that are around the $200 price point and up. So it's very possible to get a $1,000 luxe fix. This one came in a little under that, but still, let's just dive right into it. So the first thing they sent me was this white cotton top here. Absolutely adorable, right? This fits like a dream, and I have to say, love the sweet little detailing on the sleeves. Oh my goodness, it's so dear. It does have functional buttons down the front. This has a very comfortable fit. Let's get rid of the tag so you guys can see the back. It has a very comfortable fit on. There's nothing I don't like about this top except for the price tag, you guys. I understand that I got a luxe fix, but oh my goodness, can anybody justify the price tag on this top? I'm not understanding it, but in any event, let's move on. So to style it, my stylist sent two bottoms, and I have to tell you, I love the cohesiveness she went with this box. The color story is so delicious. The first bottom she sent me was this pair of pink shorts here, which again, fit like a dream. These are so comfortable on. They are cotton, functional front pockets, no pockets in the back. It does have the elasticized waist, so you get like the perfect fit, and the length is absolutely awesome. But again, I'm like, I have a pair of pink shorts just like this from H&M that I literally paid $12.99 for. They're also 100% cotton. So I'm like, I don't get it. I just don't get it. But the other bottom she sent me to try with that top was this pair of cigarette style jeans from Rag & Bone. I mean, we all know Rag & Bone is up there in price, as are these. Now these are organic cotton, which is amazing. I'm so impressed that Stitch Fix Luxe has so many organic cotton options to choose from. These have a beautiful high rise. They fit like a dream. But one thing I thought was interesting was for almost $200, you don't even get a proper hem. It is a frayed hem at the bottom, which I think is so weird. But in any event, it does have functional pockets in the back. They're calling this rinse plum, and it is really beautiful in person. It's almost like a dusty rose slash plum color. For somebody like me who doesn't typically like colored jeans, I actually like these way more than I thought I would. So I'm going to show you how that white top looks like with both of these bottoms. Okay, and moving right along to the dress, and this is also 100% organic cotton. Like, yay, go Stitch Fix for adding that to their inventory. This is by Faherty, which is another brand that is known for their very expensive price tags, and this did not disappoint either. It is a really cute print. Again, I like the color story. What I don't like about it is it has a drop waist, and I just do not like drop waists. Are you guys like me in that sense? There's something about it. I just feel like it's like, hey, look at my lower stomach, which for me tends to be the area I don't necessarily want to show off. But it's a beautiful maxi length. It has this ruffled detailing along each of the tiers. This swishes and moves, which you guys know, I love a swishy dress that moves and breathes. Obviously, there's nothing crazy going on in the back. One thing I will say about this is it is extremely see-through. I was wearing nude undergarments when I tried this on and I was watching the playback like, for a second I thought, did I have black undergarments on? Like, I was shocked at how see-through this was. But in any event, let me show you how it looks on. Okay guys, and last item in this box is a pair of shoes. These are espadrilles, which are a huge trend we're seeing for the summer season. These have a beautiful pink color to them, and let me put this one down. They have this little strap at the top, so you can obviously add a cute little bow in the front or in the back if you want to. What's nice about these is that crisscross elastic detailing definitely helps keep your foot secure in these. There is absolutely no grip on the bottom, so that's something I'm always like, because I tend to slip around a lot. But again, love like the woven detailing. It's so pretty. I just personally don't tend to wear, as you guys know, colored shoes, especially in the summertime. I'm all about my nude shoes. And also, I am so weird. I know this is so weird. In the summertime, I do not like wearing a closed toe. I don't know what it is, but it literally drives me bonkers. I feel like I'm like completely like, I don't know, it's like claustrophobic. I feel like I'm wearing like elf shoes or something. I know it's psychological, it's totally weird, but these are the shoes they sent me. Okay guys, so that is what a $700 Stitch Fix box looks like when you sign up for the Luxe Fixes. And like I said, I know that I'm the one who said I wanted to receive Luxe Fixes, so obviously I'm anticipating higher price tags. My issue is that I guess I'm still waiting for like that wow piece of clothing, right? Like if you're spending upwards of $200, to me even upwards of $100 on a piece of clothing, I want it to be something that has like a wow factor. I don't want to look at it and think, I could probably get you at Target for like 1/8 of the price. And if I'm being honest, because I do so many of these videos related to fashion, I have seen a duplicate of every single one of these from retailers like Old Navy, Target, even Walmart, who is offering organic cotton clothing now, again, at prices that are literally like 1/8, if not like a 1/16 of the price tag I'm seeing on these clothes. So I'm not gonna keep anything from this box, but I have to say, like, I am encouraged because this at least gives me hope that we're headed in the right direction. Seeing organic cotton clothing from Stitch Fix, I'm hopeful that I am gonna get that wow piece. If you guys wanna give Stitch Fix a go yourselves, I do have a referral code down below. It doesn't have to be a Luxe situation. They have price categories, like everything from $50 and below, $25 and below, all the way up to the Luxe category. But if you want to give it a go, it will kick 25 bucks off your first fix, and as a courtesy, the company will also kick me a $25 credit to use on a future fix of my own. And let me know, did you think anything in this box was worth the price tag? Because you know, I tend to be like cheap, maybe I should say frugal, but I like to feel like I'm getting a bargain even though I'm not sacrificing quality. You tell me, do you think any of the clothes in this box were worth the price tags? I cannot wait to hear you sound off in the comments below. But in any event, thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.